Hi guys, today I'm gonna tell you about kinetic energy. So many of them got into their questions, they need to learn about it. Even teachers are telling, but you guys can't understand it properly. So today I'm gonna tell you about it. And first we'll go with its definition. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy of an object which is in motion. So you can take a moving car. If the car is in motion, the energy will be kinetic energy. And even if you guys, I'll tell a few words about potential energy. So potential energy is like energy which is not in motion. If an object is not in motion, how much work done it can do? So it is like that, potential energy. But kinetic energy is produced during a motion. So how to derive the formula of kinetic energy? So if we can take a body of mass of m, which is moving with the constant speed of v, and so how much work done it can do before it comes to rest. So it will be retarding force for the to make come to rest. So F, retarding force. So for that, so we can keep that if the distance was yes from the moment of force is applied, if the distance before the retarding force, if the distance is s, so work done will be F into s, and F is retarding force, so minus acceleration will be there. So as you know, F is equal to minus, now it will be minus a m. So you know it's a MA minus AM, nothing matters because mass can't go negative, so I made this acceleration negative because it's retarding acceleration. And now you know this, so we should substitute it in work done. So W is equal to S into minus MA. Wait a second. Yes, into minus MA. It doesn't matter like minus AM or minus MA. So now you know the formula of Newton's formula, third equation of motion. So which is V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. In it, V square is final velocity, like final speed, and U square is initial velocity and 2AS. So we know final velocity, which will be V. So V square. So V square. This is the final. Like not final means it's constant, right? So final so will be same. And starting or confirm it will start from 0. So 0 square, and now is equal to 2AS, or we can take it as minus AS because here acceleration is in minus, the minus AS. So minus AS is equal to V square. So now V square will now, sorry, minus 2AS is equal to V square. So now minus 2 will go that side, it will become minus 1 by 2 because it's in multiplication, not addition or subtraction. Please don't get confused. AS is equal to 1 by 2 V square, minus 1 by 2 V square. Sorry. We can keep it like that, but it's better to keep minus over here itself. because here it is minus as. We can keep W like work done as yeah as minus MAS. Work done as minus MAS. So now if you substitute it, we got minus AS value. So the work done is equal to M into 1 by 2 B square, which is nothing but 1 by 2 M B square. So you found the formula of this kinetic energy. It's one type of work done. So let me keep it together. It's better to derive it than simply remembering it, because during tougher problems it is useful for derivation than remembering just the formula. So thank you for watching this video, and please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.